Good morning to all the research members of this group. I am Atmaram, and very good morning to my research advisor, Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, Professor SIT, JNTU Hyderabad. The audio presentation for this paper, and the title is that the impact of RTA Act within a public authority organization towards employee-employer engagement, a case study. Let's have about abstract. The paper presents an empirical report on RTA case studies with respect to employee-employer engagement in an academic setting. The report is an eye-opener with respect to enriching the employee engagement in organization towards dependable, accountable organizational behavior by adopting the spirit of RT Act 2005. About the introduction, Right to Information Act 2005 is a landmark legislation made in India. It is one of the most powerful tools for ushering in good governance. It came into force on 12th October 2005. It mandates timely response to citizen request for government information. RT Act and FIR related to cybercrime in an organization between employer and employee. The following two figures, figure 1.1 and 1.2, detail the complaint to University Vice Chancellor and SHO of PS with respect to a complaint that brought to the light the case of undesirable organized group called JNTUH JAG, which abuses that academic institution violate of Prevention of Abuse of State Emblem of India Act 2005 and Sedition Law. Neither the university authorities nor police took any remedial initiatives despite the representation. As a result, the academic environment was vanished, wrongly utilized. So we have the snapshot of complaint to the BC JNTUH and the police station of KPHB, which was registered on third week of February 1st. And 1.2 figure of page 2, the complaint, the BC JNTUH and SHO KPHB PS in the third week of February 2013. The informats submitted RTA application to ACP Kokatpalli Division, Cyberabad Commissionerate. ACP directed the RTA letter to Inspector of Police, who responded that no case was registered in this regard. As the issue was pursued, finally, an FIR was registered against unregistered organized group JNTUH JAC. Figure 2, the RTA application on the ACP Kokatpalli Division, Madhapur Zone, Cyberabad Commissionerate. It is from Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, Professor in Computer Science and Engineering, School of Information Technology, JNTU, Hyderabad. To the Circle Inspector, KPHB Police Station, ACP Kokatpalli. So we have the snapshot of the FIR, First Information Report, under the section 154, okay, the form 62, and this is also obtained from the FIR from the KPHB Police Station Kokatpalli Division, Madhapur Zone, Cyberabad Commissionerate. The figure is going to intimate these particulars. In figure 4, the RTA applicant author pursues with the university with respect to relationship between the fake government of Telangana versus JNTU Hyderabad and genuine government of Telangana that is prevailing on the basis of parliament enacted law. The figure 5 refers the case study of motivating us to come up with an innovative form, the P governance form, People's Governance Form. It aims to disseminate national information by inculcate the educated youth, national spirit, and broad discourse and basic awareness of cybercrimes to understand positively for a good society. Let us come to the finally a conclusion and future work. The RT Act 2005 is a priceless, effective instrument for an employee to remedy the lack of probity in the organizational administration by engaging the employer to ensure positive organizational behavior. A common goal of ICT is to develop a knowledge society Vignan Bharat that is progressive and free from cybercrimes and is well established in terms of cyber laws, cyber ethics, smart cities, smart India, and digital India, etc. In India, population is high and cybercrimes are increasingly reported day, day to today. Some cybercrimes have a very massive base. It is challenging to the governance and academicians for nation building, whereas nation building is a continuous exercise or a process. So we have got a snapshot of the figure 4. It indicates an RTA application of the author to illustrate attested information with respect to JNTUH's relationship with the fake government of Telangana versus with the parliament enacted government of Telangana. 10th October 2014 is the information as per that. And we have got a people governance firm website. The menu begins here and all the particulars are going to be mentioned as a part of the PGF is concerned. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.